We're back. Thanks for staying with us. I'm Donald Baillargeon. We're here on location at the San Francisco Money Show. And I'm joined now by Dr. John Whitney, CEO of ITRO Incorporated, stock symbol ITRO. John, good to see you again.
Yes, it's a pleasure to be here. Thank you.
It's an event of great proportions here. Thousands of people all walking around looking at hundreds of exhibitors, all kinds of different technologies, all kinds of different industries that are represented. And of course, one of you, ITRO Incorporated, as we like to say, a green company. Tell us what you do.
Yeah, we recycle used photographic liquids into pure silver and a line of fertilizers, liquid fertilizers called Golden Grow. So we provide a green consumer option for photography and a green fertilizer option in the agricultural segment.
Now this photochemical waste liquid, I mean, this would ultimately be a hazardous waste material if you weren't recycling it, correct?
It's classified as a toxic waste because it's got silver in it, and silver is toxic to fish.
So if you weren't around to recycle it, what would happen to this stuff? Would it just get stored in drums somewhere or poured into the ground? What happens?
It gets partially desilvered at the site where it's produced and then put down the sewer, basically.
Put down the sewer. So that's unbelievable because, as they say, all drains lead to the ocean. But so you're able to pull out the silver that's in this material and create these pure silver bars that are like 99.9% pure. And then what you've done now is launched an entire line of environmentally sensitive fertilizer products under the Golden Grow name, and you're actually generating some pretty nice sales with that.
Yes, we are. First half, we're still small, but first half this year our sales were up like 24%. For half-year sales were about 2.3 million. Last year our full-year sales were 2.4. So we're growing the business.
Now, are these products that we would find in our local Home Depot or Lowe's, or are these commercial-grade products? Who's your customer on the Golden Grow?
These are, for the most part, commercial-grade products. They're used in the Central Valley in California for the specialty agriculture. Crops like fresh lettuce, tomatoes, wine grapes, table grapes, pistachio trees, almond trees, orange trees, citrus trees. So real high value, high quality fruit and vegetables.
When you talk about the Central Valley of California, we're talking about the massive San Joaquin Valley, known as the breadbasket to the entire country. Pretty large customer base, a lot of agriculture being done there.
Yes, that's right. It's like for the lettuce and some of the vegetables, about half the fresh vegetables for the United States are produced in California. So California's big.
What are the advantages to these agriculturalists using your fertilizer products versus others that might be available in the market?
Well, ours are more effective. So on a replacement basis, they use about half as much as the fertilizer that they are used to. So less required, and then it's more effective. So you get improved uptake or improved nutrition results for the plants and improved crop output.
You got a manufacturing facility in Reno, Nevada. I think your plant's something like 30 or 35,000 square feet. Tell us about your footprint there.
Yeah, we have 3.5 acres of land fenced and paved, and then a 35,000 square foot manufacturing facility. And it's all permitted. It's the only one of its kind in the United States, and actually the only one in the world.
Really?
Yes.
Now, for people who are thinking, gee, you know, photographic liquid is going to disappear as everything is going to digital, I don't think you agree with that. Tell us why.
Well, digital is making inroads, and rightfully so. But we're estimating today there's about 50 million gallons of these photographic liquids generated right now in the United States. And we're only using about 500,000 gallons a year at this stage of our development. So there's, you know, the amount of liquid can go down by 50%, and there'll still be enough to support a large fertilizer manufacturing business.
And your company's actually paid to accept these materials and recycle them, right?
Yes. We're paid to take the material and process it. We get paid for recovering, refining, and selling the silver, and then we get paid for the fertilizers.
I have to say that everybody you do business with is your customer.
That's right.
Once again, ITRONICS, ITRO. John, thanks for the update.
You're welcome. It's a pleasure to be here.